Welcome to another Angel on the Go video. And today we are at our favorite spot.
Always.
Walmart. My phone looks cloudy. I don't know why. Maybe it's the lighting. I don't know. But we already found some stuff, you guys. And we're thinking about getting the swing right. Or not a swing. It's a this is a 4-piece. What is this? What's a conversation it said?
Table and chairs.
Okay. We're just gonna call it table and chairs. We're thinking about getting this right here. So it comes with 4 chairs. It comes with this table. And we have like what's the space like in the front of our house?
Patio?
Is it a patio or is that the backyard? We have like a space in the front. Like when you enter our door and there's like a space where we can put something like this. We used to have this right here. So we used to have this swing right here. And the kids broke it. Plus Manny broke it. So instead of this swing, and plus I don't want to pay $237, we're thinking about getting this set right here. So again, this comes with 3 chairs?
A bench and 2 chairs.
Okay, so it comes with a bench, 2 chairs, and this table right here. And it's only $147, so not bad. If you guys need this, here's the UPC. And I'm going to turn it around here. So the first item that we found is this right here. You want to grab it? Are those different?
Yeah.
Okay, so this right here, you guys, is the Sharper Image. And it's a UV zone phone sanitizer. What is this? You put your phone inside? I think we've seen these before.
It charges and then sanitizes at the same time.
Oh, it's a charger too?
Mm-hmm.
Phone sound. Okay, so it kills up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Okay, so yeah, right here it says charge and sanitize your phone all at once. I'm keeping one of these. Sorry.
You're always trying to keep something.
That's nice. All right, so you guys can see, what's the regular price? Is that 19 or is it?
39.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, so the regular price, you guys, look at this, is $39.88. And I found this for $5. Boom. That is a good price.
Mm-hmm.
Man.
Mine's a Sharper Image, so you know
Right.
it's gonna...
You guys know this is a good seller. We actually found 4 of them. And I think we found 2 different ones. So let me show you the UPC for this one. Here's the UPC. And hopefully you guys can find this in your area, but it's only $5. It was about $40 down to $5. That's a great discount. And this is what it looks like. And can you grab the next one? All right, you guys, here's the next one. So what's the difference? This is
probably just a style.
This is also Sharper Image.
It's chemical free. I don't know if the other one is.
Oh wait, this one down here by your finger, it says
credit cards and stuff.
you can also, not only your phone, you can sanitize your car keys, credit cards, and earbuds. That's nice. Mm-hmm. I think I'm gonna get this one.
You always want something.
All right, so the regular price, you guys can see, is $39.88 down to $5. Now you guys can see all these yellow tags. They got about 20 different yellow tags with different prices. They couldn't get rid of them, so with the $5 price, we're actually gonna grab these. And let me show you the UPC. All right, so this one, here's the UPC. There you guys go. And can you pick both of them up? Let me show them. Okay, so these are the 2 you guys are gonna be looking for. That's the first one. Here's the second one. And they both were about $40 all the way down to $5.
All right, so the next thing we have is a Sharper Image, and this is another sanitizer. It's a UV lamp, portable lamp sanitizer.
That looks like that thing that we put in the backyard to kill the bugs at night.
Yeah, it looks like it.
So what is this supposed to do?
The same thing as the phone charger or sanitizers there.
Okay, so this one is a lamp one, rechargeable, sanitized quickly, and it's chemical free. Sorry about the glare. This one also kills up to 99.9% germs, and it says up to 6 uses.
On one charge.
Oh, on one charge. Okay, so you just charge that one.
I guess it just shoots the light out to something in the surrounding area and kills the germs.
Does that really work?
Yeah, I'm assuming.
You want to try it? Or you want to sell it?
I want to sell it.
All right, you guys, you know Manny's going to sell. I'm going to take the other one, so I'm going to let Manny sell this one. We found one of these.
Yeah, so it's good for like the closet, office, car, and bathrooms. That might be good for the bathroom.
All right, now let me show you guys the UPC. You guys are not going to believe this price. There's the UPC right here. All right, now we're about to show them the boom because this is a great price. What is the regular price, Manny?
Regular price is $49.99, so it's even more expensive than that one.
All right, so the regular price is almost $50.
Yeah.
How much is it? How much is the clearance?
$7.
Look at the clearance, you guys. Boom, $7. Again, it went from $49.88. Who's gonna pay $49 for this? All right, so you guys know we're gonna grab this one. Now this box is kind of opening, so we're gonna show you what this looks like so you guys can see. Again, this one is a sharper image. Okay, there's the instruction guide. So this is what it looks like. That looks like that Beats by Dre peel, don't it?
Wow.
Look how little it is. That's super cute. All right, so here's what it looks like, you guys. All right, so this one is only $7. I thought I seen a light go off.
What's your imagination?
Maybe it is. I'm tired. It's early. All right, so if you guys are looking for this, it went from $50 down to $7. Good luck.
All right, so the next one we have is actually an as seen on TV. And this is a portable plug-in air purifier. So, I don't know what it does. Cleans the air?
I don't know, but I seen a toilet on there. Can you turn it to the side?
Yeah, it's for bacteria and viruses, airborne allergies, offensive odors, and cigarette smoke.
Yeah. Okay, can you turn it to the side? All right, so look at this, you guys. You guys can put it in your bathroom, your kitchen, if you guys have any pets, bedrooms, and it runs all the time. I think this one also comes with a nightlight, right?
A nightlight?
Yeah, I thought I'd seen it.
Maybe a UV, yeah. I don't know.
Nightlight. Wait, let me see. I thought I seen. Turn it all the way around.
Oh, LED indicator with nightlight, yeah.
Yeah, so. Nightlight. So this is what it looks like, you guys. You guys can plug it right here. All right, so again, this is the portable plug-in, and it traps viruses and bacteria. You just plug it in right here, and I'll probably put these in my bathroom. I think I found 2 of them. And do you have the UPC? All right, there's the UPC. And again, this one's as seen on TV. What's the regular price?
$29.99.
How much?
$30.
$30. Who would pay $30 for that?
A lot of people pay it. I bet when it first came out, a lot of people ran out and got this.
Right.
During this time frame.
Because of COVID.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to put these in my bathroom. I'll let you guys know if this really works. So Manny is not selling this one. But again, look at that. Boom. It went from $29.99 down to $7.50. Not bad. I wish it was $5, but $7.50.
I'm selling it.
No, you're selling the other things.
How many things do you need?
Look,
I'm taking the other one.
You're not selling it. All right, we're going to show you what we found next. Look at these 2 down here.
All right, so this is a UV bright, and this is a self-cleaning, water purifying water bottle.
That's a water bottle?
Yeah.
Nice.
So if you look on the back here.
Oh, that's what it looks like.
Yeah, so it has UV lights, so it disinfects the water.
Nice. They think of everything.
I've never seen anything like that.
Does this mean COVID's about to be over? Because we're finding a lot of stuff on sale.
I don't know. They just ramped up somewhere else, so you never know. But
Okay.
This is good for like anybody who like hikes, traveling in the office. If you go to the gym.
I go to the gym, so can I keep this?
No, you can't keep it. You already got a water bottle.
Yeah, but I want this one. This one cleans the water, right?
You don't even want it.
I don't even know what it is, to be honest with you. But you guys, this is what it looks like, and this is the black one. We actually found 2 of them. So we found 2 black ones. All right. You guys can see that it's an 18.6 ounce. And we're about to show you the UPC and the price. All right, there's the UPC. All right, so you guys can do a screenshot of that and check your local Walmart. And we're going to go ahead and show you the price. Look at this. Boom. It went from $29.88 all the way down to $5.
Can't beat that.
$5.
Yeah.
I feel sorry for the people who paid $30 for this.
It's like 80% off.
80. All right, so you guys again are going to be looking for this water bottle. Let us know below if you guys find any other colors, but the only colors that we found 2 black, but that's good. We're going to check out some more Walmarts, but again, this went from about $30 all the way down to $5. All right, you guys, up next, I found these, and I'm going to go ahead and grab a few of these because you guys know we have kids, and you can't go wrong with kids and face masks. Look at this. Boom. This comes with 5, you guys, and these are the 100% cotton jersey fabric. So these are not the cheap ones you get from the Dollar Tree. These are the cotton ones. Can you open a box? Because they're kind of open. So I kind of opened one up just to see what they look like, and I want to show you guys. So again, they're cloth, and it comes with 2 white, and it comes with 3 of the blue. And the ages on here, it says ages 4 to 12. All right, again, it's 100% cotton, and it's washable. Washable. So I can keep a couple boxes for the kids, and Manny can sell the rest. So we're both happy. So let me show you again. That's what it looks like. And again, this one comes with 5. And these are the youth/kids face mask. All right, and you guys see it says 3 blue and 2 white. Here's the UPC. And you guys are not going to believe this price. Ready? Boom, $1. It was about 5 something down to $1. So we got a few. We got 3 here. And we have a few here.
The good thing with this is it has the elastic little ear band.
Oh, it
Some
does.
of them come with like the one size, and it's not interchangeable, so it's good.
Yeah, so we're definitely gonna grab these. You can't go wrong with masks, especially with kids. We found the mask before. Remember the mask we found for like 25 cents? But those are really thin.
Yeah.
So we're not gonna use those. We'll probably sell those thin ones that we found before for $1. But these are only $1, you guys. And we're definitely grabbing these for the kids. So if you guys see these, make sure you guys scan because it might be $1. Good luck. All right, you guys, this is our second Walmart, and we just showed you a bunch of these. And the first Walmart we went to, look at how many they have. We're in the electronics section, and this one right here, I think this one's different, right? They got different ones. This is Phone Spa. Oh yeah, because we got Sharper Image. All right, you guys, so this is called Phone Spa, and it's kind of like the same thing we found in the first one. The first ones that we found were Sharper Image at $5, and it also kills 99.9% of germs. Here is the UPC, and these right here are only ringing up $6. Original price is $24.88 down to $6. And then this one is, it looks like this is a portable wand, UVC wand. Comes in a small box. This is also the company Phone Spa. And there's the wand. So it shuts off automatically. Here's the UPC. And this one is ringing up $6.88. So these are all $6. This one is $6.88. And again, we are in the electronics department. Clearance. If you guys see these in your Walmart, scan.